I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so Lens runs cleanly. Check your Android version and update the Google App and Play services. Once done, open Settings and grant camera and storage permissions to the Google app. That lets Lens access images and live view. Make sure location is allowed if you want place data. You're doing this now because missing permissions or outdated services block Lens. Proceed immediately to installing Lens-specific components after these checks. Now install Google Lens from Play Store or enable Lens integration inside the Google App settings. Services Google Lens. Once installed, open the Lens app and sign in with your Google account so preferences sync. Next, configure quick actions. In Camera Settings or Google App Shortcuts, assign Lens to the Camera button or long press Home for faster access. Also enable Google Assistant integration. This gives you voice-triggered Lens. These steps link Lens to system shortcuts. Finish by testing. Point the camera at text, a barcode, and a landmark to confirm OCR, shopping, and info cards work. If Lens fails, clear the Google App and Play Services cache, then reboot. If persistent, reinstall the Lens app. On custom ROMs or devices without Google mobile services, use micro-G or sideload compatible APKs and enable required permissions. Be cautious. One key troubleshooting tip. If Lens can't analyze images, verify camera permission and stable internet. That fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.